is when we first met Arifu a while ago, I think they had 20,000 farmers on their platform, and now there are over 1 million farmers. And they've really been able to touch a lot of people's lives with their chatbot. And Marisa, we've got just less than 10 minutes left in the session. But if you could tell us a little bit about Arifu and how your journey has been growing a tech innovator, a great tech innovator, working on your own, but also working with platforms.
Absolutely. Thank you for that. So Arifu is an edtech company. We've created a free digital advisor. So far, 1.4 individuals have come and opted into learning with Arifu across our different partnerships. This is in 6 African countries right now. So Arifu has an open marketplace where many partners can come in and either inform learners about products and services or skills content. And we're also have content available on platforms, which is what we're talking about today, such as Safaricom Digifarm, KCB MobiGrow, Equitel MyLife, and IITA's Akilimo Decision Support System. So through our partnerships, we provide services such as skills information and trainings on complete value chains, all the way from land preparation to helping farmers find a market. We also have started working on some innovations where we're actually using input-based recommendation systems to be able to take in input about farmers, specific farm sizes, farm spending, their spending availability, and then be able to give them real-time recommendations on what they should do and what kind of ROI they can expect to have. We also do things like weather forecasting. And now in a lot of our partnerships are connecting farmers to input suppliers, financing, and buyers. Some of what our partners experience is what we deliver is a kind of a end-to-end solution where we're designing the content and using best practices in digital design, what we've kind of learned over the last 6 years. And then also we have a platform, the chatbot platform, that delivers the content to individuals over SMS, over WhatsApp, as well as analytics where partners can come on and see, what is it that farmers or other learners are interested in learning about, what are they engaging with most, what types of skills are they learning, and what are the knowledge scores that they're achieving on the different capacities. And so for learners, how they experience it is they might come into one of our partner platforms, or they come in directly through Arifu OM and they can search through a library of content. I think some of the cool things about being part of ecosystems such as Digifarm or KCB MobiGrow is that there's a lot of different support services right there. So an individual could come in and get access to content, but they also have access to input vouchers, or they might also have access to a loan. And what we do is we can provide the skills training as well as information on those products and services to help increase trust and usage. I think that's it for now. I hope I did okay on time.
You're a champ. One of the questions from the audience, specifically for you, was what are the most common and urgent challenges that you have to consider when you look at a new platform for partnership?
Okay, so with a new platform for partnership, I guess it's, it's so great because you can scale quickly. I think on the platforms we have 200,000, 500,000 learners on them, and that you can achieve really, really quickly. Like I said, you can also, connect to different products and services. There's a lot of synchronization that has to happen. So you have a lot of partners working on them. And so I think some of the challenges are making sure that, everybody is collaborating and working together really well, so that the user experience is very streamlined. I think the other thing is a lot of these platforms, are funded sometimes by grant funding. So you need to kind of prove your value proposition very quickly. And if there's not that access to the right data to show, learning has helped achieve this behavior change, I think that can also be a challenge that we have to overcome. So we oftentimes not only are looking at how do you work together to make sure the user experience is well, but how do we make sure that we have the right data accesses to actually be able to measure, the performance, both in the learning side, which is what we have access to, like what are people engaging with, but also on the behavior change side, how is that actually impacting sales, on inputs, how is that actually impacting like safe usage of loans. And without that, it's hard to know, how to course correct your content information as well if you can't access that.